Structural engineering is a field of engineering that deals with the design, analysis, and construction of structures, such as buildings, bridges, towers, and other infrastructure. Structural engineers use their knowledge of physics, mathematics, and materials science to design safe and efficient structures that can withstand the forces of nature and human use. The work of a structural engineer begins with a thorough understanding of the client's needs and the site conditions. They then develop structural designs that take into account the loads and forces that the structure will need to withstand, such as wind, earthquakes, and heavy usage. The design may include the selection of appropriate materials, such as concrete, steel, or wood, and the calculation of the structural loads and forces. Once the design is complete, the structural engineer works closely with the construction team to ensure that the structure is built according to the plans and meets all safety codes and regulations. They may also be involved in ongoing maintenance and inspection of the structure to ensure its long-term safety and durability.